નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 9, Subject Social Science, Chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is National Movements in India. It means Bharatni Rashtriya Chadwal. First of all, they have given about the introduction part, dear children. Introduction, it means Prastavana. During their stay in India, Britishers become familiar with the political condition of India. Dear children, you know very well that the Britishers become familiar with the political condition of India. The British East India Company take the advantages of the political dispute as well as the internal weaknesses of the India from 1757 to 1857, and within this 100 years, the British East India Company become the supreme power into the India, and that's why they have to rule within the 100 year. In order to maintain this supremacy, the English gradually developed strong administrative system structure into the country. Through this administrative structure, common law, common administrative and legal system according to the British system came into the existence. Yet the English residing in India established such a law and administrative which only give the benefit to the England, and England would get the more benefit from that law. At the cost of India, they made England prosperous and exploit the India most of. What happened there? They have only the main purpose there. England become the prosperous it means Samru, and the India become the exploited it means Arthik Shoshan the most of. Now next they were given about the Great National Uprising of 1857. It means 1857 no Sangram. Some of the factors that causes the uprising of the 1857 were political dissatisfaction, economic exploitation, social, religious factor, military factor, immense reason like induction of the infield rifle in the army. Dear children, all these things we have learned in standard 8 already. These all are the factors responsible for 1857 revolt. Mangal Pandey was the first martyr of the uprising. Who is the first martyr of the 1857 revolt? The Mangal Pandey was the first martyr of the uprising of 1857 revolt. Several revolutionaries like Nana Saheb, Tatya Tope, Raja Kuwar Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Bahadur Shah Jafar took part in it. The uprising of 1857 produced many effects, among which are the end of the company rule in India and now the rule the British crown, it means rules by Queen Victoria, change in the administrative, military, social and religious policy. Now dear children, what happened there? Up to 1857 the rule was done by the East India Company. Now after the revolt of 1857, now in India company rule in India is the end. Now directly ruled by the British crown into the India, and 1857 is a failure revolt, and that's why uprising are beginning of the uprising before the planned time. Lack of central leadership, insufficient and unsophisticated weapons, importance of self-centered interest and nationalism among the revolutionary, lack of suitable and organized leadership. These all are the reason. Because of that 1857 revolt was totally failure. You have already studied this detail into the standard 8, dear children. After they were given about boycott and indigenous movement. It means Bahishkar and Swadeshi Chadwal. Boycott and indigenous movements along with Bang movement in 1905. In which year the Bang movement start in India? In 1905 Bang movement was started, was one of the important events of the Indian national movement. Because of this, the divide and rule policy, as a result the British was try to Machiavellian the policy. Boycott and indigenous movement got them impunity. Bengal was a big province at the time of the British ruler. Dear children, you know very well that the Bengal Bengal was a big provision at the time of the British rule, which include the present day Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. Compared to the other states, Bengal was the central point of national awakening. The input and the thought for the national movement came from the Bengal. In 1857 revolt, Hindu and Muslim had collectively fought versus the English, it means to the British. That's why through the English strategy was divide and rule. And that's why dear children, what happened there? What was the policy of the British? The policy of the British that divide and rule. Divide and rule, it means ભાગલા પાડો અને રાજ કરોની નીતિ. They encouraged the communalism and caused the division among the people. Viceroy Curzon, 1899 to 1905, divide the vast Bengal provision into East Bengal and the West Bengal in the name of bringing about the administrative efficiency. There was a strong opposition of the Bengal division. When the Bengal was divided on 16th October 1905, the whole Bengal observed as a day, as a national mourning day. What happened there? That time when the Lord Curzon divided the Bengal into the East and West Bengal in 16th October 1905, that day Bengal observed the day as a national mourning day. It means Rashtriya Shok Divasam. The same day, the announcement about the boycott of all the foreign goods and encouraged to use the indigenous goods was made. Not merely the Bengali but from the other Indian also begin to believe that this division had been only for the crucial of the viceroy's feeling of the nationalism that catch up into the India. That's why Hindu and Muslim tied the Rakhi in each other in the entire Bengal to express the unity among the Hindu and Muslim. This movement had three major characteristics. First, adopt the indigenous product. It means Swadeshi Apnao. Second, boycott the foreign goods. It means Videshi Malno Bahiskar. Third, adopt the national education. Rashtriya Shikshan Apnao. These three are the major characteristics of the movement of the boycott in 1905. India benefited a lot to this Swadeshi movement, while the English industry was badly affected due to the boycott of the foreign goods. The cloth coming from the Manchester stock, sugar, shoes, cigarette, tobacco, etc. important from the England also reduced, and the sale of the cloth made in India increased. Factories for making the indigenous goods were started. The effect of the movement was felt in other provinces of India like Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Mumbai, Madras. Besides this, Bengal and the echoes of the Swadeshi movement was felt in the Gujarat also. The echoes of the movement was also felt strongly in the British Parliament within the 6th year. In 1911, the division of Bengal was scrapped after the rethinking by the Parliament, and that's why this was the memorable victory by the Indian, the victory of the relentless united efforts, and this was a noteworthy victory of the new awakening against the English rule. Next, they have to given about the Muslim League 1906. It means Muslim League 1906. By adopting the divide and rule policy, the English wanted to create the conflict between Hindu and Muslim. Then the Viceroy Lord Minto and the Indian Wazir, it means Diwan, Morley together planned to crush the Indian nationalism. Now what happened that now Britisher was trying to crush the Indian nationalism, and when the national fight became the stronger, the English began to favor the upper class of the Muslim. The English became the successful in convincing in the group of the Muslim that they must form a Muslim organization to demand for separate voting rights and the separate voting center. What happened that now the Britishers target the Muslim community and they have to say that the Muslim League was organized, and they have to also starting to establish the Muslim League in 1907. After they have to say and given the right that Muslim League was formed in 1906. Religious head of the Muslim League was Aga Khan, Nawab of Dhaka Salimullah Khan, Viceroy Minto, and his personal minister Dunlop Smith had played an important role to establish of this organization. In order to the stop of Muslims from attending the annual conference of the Congress, the annual conference of the Muslim League was arranged on the same day when the Congress conference was held. What happened there? It means now they have starting the controversy between Congress and Muslim League. Thus, the demand for separating the representative is not the brainchild of the Muslim, but it is a part of the English policy. Minto started the policy of taking the Muslim as an associated. That's why many writers consider that Minto is the father of the Muslim communalism. A historian also goes to extent in saying that the real creator of Pakistan was not a Muhammad Ali Jinnah or Rahid Mullah, but Minto. Since then, the conflict between Hindu and Muslim increased. As a result, the division of India in the time of the independence we are seeing now. Next, they have to given the birth and development of the extreme revolutionary movement. It means ઉગ્ર ક્રાંતિકારી ચળવળનો ઉદ્ભવ અને વિકાસ. The revolutionary activity in India was started by Vasudev Balwand Phadke, and revolutionaries like now they have to given the name of the revolutionary, that Damodar Chapdekar, Balkrishna Chapdekar, બંધુઓ વીર સાવરકર, બદ્રીનાથ ઘોષ, ખુદીરામ બોઝ, પ્રફુલ્લ ચક્કી, રામપ્રસાદ બિસ્મલ, અશફાકુલ્લા ખાન, ચંદ્રશેખર આઝાદ, ભગત સિંહ, શિવરામ, રાજગુરુ, સુખદેવ, બટુકેશ્વર દત્ત, રોશન સિંહ. These all are the name of the people they have carried on the torch of the nationalism. Youth trained in making and using the weapons were a constant threat for the English government. And these all are the extreme revolutionary people. Now, fears of revolutionary movement begin in India and spread in the other country as well as the circumstances in its that background were the cancellation of the participation of the Bengal in the participation of two groups. They have given the participation of two groups. One group that is known as the Jawahar, it means the radicals, and second one the Mawada, it is known as a moderate. At the Congress conference in Surat in 1907, and the terrific opposition to practice of the Congress to making only the resolution and the request. Lal, Pal and Pal tribe adopted the radical attitude which brought the new life in the young Indian activist. The lethargic policy of the Indian National Congress got a solid new turn. And dear children, they have to give in your textbook the image of the revolutionary people. First, they have to give the picture of Vasudev Balwand Phadke. After they have given Khudiram Bose, Ram Prasad Bismal, Ashfaqullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad in page number 25. They have given the image of Sardar Bhagat Singh, Shivram Rajguru, Sukhdev Thapar, Roshan Singh, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. These all are the images they have to given it in your textbook. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak declared it firmly, the freedom is my birthright and I will achieve it anyhow. Which slogan was given by the Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak? They have to given and declare firmly that freedom is my birthright and I will achieve it anyhow. It means સ્વરાજ મારો જન્મસિદ્ધ હક છે અને તેને લઈને જ હું જંપીશ. This became the maxim for the revolutionary freedom fighter. At that time, a group of Indian youth undertook the activity to seek the freedom from the foreign ruler. These extreme revolutionaries were more than happy to sacrifice their life for the motherland. They could give up their life to take the life in order to attain the freedom. And that's why the revolutionary activities are spread in the different Indian states. And the states are Maharashtra, Bengal, Punjab, Bihar, Odisha, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madras Pranth, Uttar Pradesh. These all are the name of the state of and the central part of India. Among these activities, some activities are like Abhinav Bharat Samaj after Mitra Mela Society, Anushilhan Samiti, Anjuman e Mohillane Watan, Indian Patriots Association. These all are the name of the institution given the impulse to the revolutionaries activity into the India. In the first stage of the newspaper and magazine life, they have to given the name of magazine as well as name them Sandhya, Yugantar, Navshakti, Vande Mataram, Kesari, Maratha. These all are the name of the newspaper give the constant strength to the activities. About 34 revolutionaries were prosecuted in the Alipur massacre. Several revolutionaries were arrested for the Howrah massacre, it means Howrah Hatyakand, and Dhaka massacre, it means Dhaka Hatyakand, and attempt to kill the Lord Hardinge by throwing the dropping bomb on the Viceroy Minto on November 13, 1909 outside the Raipur Darwaja in Ahmedabad can all be given an example of this. In the second step, from the 1920 to 42, events like Kakori Loot case, it means Kakori Loot case after Lahore massacre, it means Lahore Hatyakand, and dropping of bomb on the Central Parliament in Delhi took place. And you have already studied about the other revolutionaries are engaged in all these activities. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us